Vamos, que nos vamos. Vamos, que nos vamos. Monday morning, let's get to it. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going on a holidays for about a week, no more. So in the meantime, I'm gonna bring this one away. So they paint it, they repaint it, and then I'm going to work on this one. And if I have some time over, I will move on with this one and this one. But that's way too much, I think, for today. But we will see, who knows. Poco a poco. And yeah, my hand is swallowing a little bit. It's like getting thick again, I don't know why. But hurts a little, so yeah. But it's fine, I guess. Poco a poco. Let's bring the gas tank away and then start with the Norton. Yeah. So the gas tank now is gone, and I will get it next week. All ready to go. Let's see. So yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, let's just start with the Norton and see how the day goes. Yeah. Right now, I installed this one. Now it's good to go. Really nice in place. I put those little rubbers like in here and in there, and then later on I need to put yeah, protection for the cables. And yeah, now I'm going to start to check all the electricity, like connect this one to this one and everything. So yeah, poco a poco. Let's see. So, right now I have all the components like where it should be and everything, so that's good. The sensor brake, it's gonna be at the back because this one, how can I explain? The other ones that all the brakes, they work with only this one, so it's gonna be like knack knack. So the sensor is gonna be here at the back. I need to still put like this kind of valve that I can regulate how much you want at the front and at the back. For instance, if you are riding on the ring, you don't want too much power on the front, so you would adjust it and then you have more power at the rear than at the front. That's the idea. So yeah, actually all the components are there, the cables are here. As you can see, everything is loose, and all the rest of cables, actually I didn't need it, so that's why I was opening it. And I was checking the connections. Let's see those. Like this, let's try to show it. Come on. There you go. Okay, so as you can see, it's proper clamp, like they really did it right. But the problem with this is that if you pull out of here, Like, yeah, with that hand, for sure not. Because I was like, nope, it's not working. But I had already like 3 times, like for instance, which one was it? Yeah, this one. Those here, the ones that were here connected, they were getting out. And at the headlight, I did some soldering too, as you can see. So I'm just rechecking all the connections, unfortunately, even though there's a new cable wiring, but I cannot trust it. I know that this bike's gonna shake like a whoo. So if I leave it like this, it's just going to get loose. So yeah, it is what it is. But when I'm back from holidays, I will move on with this, and then hopefully running and everything. So we will see. We will see. I thought I could be able to do more today, but yeah, it took some time. Yeah. So yeah, let's wrap it up, clean a little bit, and go home. But I'm still not done for today, actually, because right now I need to do some computer work and yeah, get a few stuff ready for after the holidays. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, unfortunately, here in the garage at least. Voila! I'm here in Spain right now. As you can see behind me, those mountains. Actually, that one is where I grew up. The one with the signal thing. I don't know how to say it. Yeah, the antenna. So, yeah, I wanted to do more like this trip today, but I couldn't because guess what? My hand starts swallowing a lot, and this is the clutch one. So every time I do it, I feel it, and I was like, So anyways, hopefully tomorrow. Tonight I'm gonna take it easy, and yeah, then tomorrow I would like to do this road trip that it goes from La Scala here in Spain, Catalonia, Alt Empordà, that's the area, and it goes from La Scala, where my mom is living, to Llança, where my dad lives. So it's all coast, alongside the coast, a lot of curves. The roads are pretty nice, and yeah, that section there where you see the mountains and the clouds, let's see, yeah, over there. Well, I wanted to be there because when you are on top of it, you can see everything, and it's like, so nice. There are a few spots that I really want to show to all of you, the ones that check the channel. So yeah, so if one day you have the chance to come here and see this area, then you know the nicest spots. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, now I'm gonna ride back to my mom's place and take it easy for tonight. And then let's see tomorrow how it goes. Yeah. So still, it's 6 in the morning now, 6:30. So it's pretty dark, as you can see. So let's get to it. So right now, let's see. Yeah. So right now, I'm on my way to Cadaqués. There at the back you can see Rosas. You can see that. So yeah, the roads here are really nice, as you can see. All curves all the time. Whoop, 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 whoop. So it's really nice. I really like it. And yeah, the weather now is perfect, even though it's cloudy, but it's perfect because it's not hot. Otherwise it would be really hot. So nah. So let's go to Cadaqués, and from there we're gonna go to Cap de Creus, and from Cap de Creus we're gonna go to Port de la Selva, and from Port de la Selva we're gonna go to up into the mountains to Sant Pere de Roda. So right now that was Cadaqués, the small village. Really nice to come here and have some dinner, and beautiful place to be. Right now we're going to Cap de Creus, and yeah, you will see. Shitty. That's it. Yeah. Okay, so unfortunately I wasn't able to go to the Cap de Creus because it's yeah, for many years already. It's a natural park. And right now they did like you need to reserve in a restaurant. When I wanted to go, you actually need to reserve and then give your number plate, because otherwise the camera is taking a picture of you, and if you are not in the list, you get a fine, of 200 euros. So I was like, let's ride back. Anyways, this is Port de la Selva. You can see it's beautiful. It's a really beautiful place. Right now there are coming some bikes. That's nice to see. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, now let's go to hey. So yeah, let's go now to Sant Pere de Roda. That's a monastery, I think is in English. Like they restored it many years ago, and it's a really high up in the mountains, and then you can see everything. So yeah, you will see. It's hopefully there is nothing is close or so, and I can just show it. So yeah, fingers crossed. So there is the bike, there is the small village I showed before. Let's see, there is the village from my dad down there. This is the thing I was talking about, that one, and there is the big one between the clouds. And yeah, it's cloudy, but otherwise you will see like everything. And up there, somewhere there is another one, a really old one, but it's like ruined because everything is gone. And yeah, now let's see this. Now it's time to say goodbye, and that was all for this week. I hope you like this video. Yeah, this is the ratio or area where I grew up, and as you can see, all the roads are with a lot of curves, like from there, here, and here. Everything is mountains, and mountains, sea, and nice roads. So yeah, I miss this place, that's for sure. So yeah, let's enjoy it. Yeah, okay, see you next week. So let's go